Hey guys, it's Tim back at you guys with another video. I'm here with Freely and my friend here, Josh. And we're gonna be doing a taste test video here. We're gonna be trying these mini wafer bites. So we have 4 different flavors here: matcha, chocolate, durian, and ube. So yeah, let's try it out. Okay, so what flavor you guys want to try first? Ooh. Okay, you're like. Okay, so let's just let's start with chocolate.
Chocolate's like a pretty standard flavor.
Yeah, pretty standard. So. Everything Kit Kat. Think of all the candies with chocolate flavors.
Oh yeah.
Rapid Fire, Hershey's,
Kit Kat,
Chocolate,
Twix, Milky Way, Mars, Crunch. See, there's a lot of chocolate flavored. So let's try.
I'll get one.
Ooh, that looks chocolatey. Actually, yeah, this looks like usually there's the big wafers, just like.
You just already ate it.
That's okay. But then yeah, look at that. It's like small, like they cut it up.
that's good.
I mean, it just tastes like chocolate, but it's good chocolate, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys are tasting it. I'm tasting like a coffee
I
flavor.
agree. Yeah. It's nice because it's like bite size, so it's like perfect for like road trips type. You know?
Yeah, and here it says fun sized, creamy wafer rolls that will keep you munching throughout the day. I could see that. I could see myself doing that. We're already doing it right now.
I can see myself munching.
Really good.
Pretty standard, pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
Solid, I think.
Pretty solid.
But let's do matcha. I think everybody should know what matcha is. But matcha, this is basically like green tea.
Kind of like green.
Yeah, kind of like green tea, not exactly.
It's not green tea though.
It's not green tea though, which is confusing. So let's try it. Okay.
Oh.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, let's do it. Taste the fields.
Like it's like I took a bite of a hay bale.
Yeah. No. Oh. As it gets near the end, it starts tasting like matcha. But now, now it's starting to taste like soap.
It went from fields to matcha to soap.
No, I kind of like this one actually.
Really? Yeah, it's good, but then my initial taste, it's a field.
Yeah, see, I want to say it really tastes like matcha right away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It takes a while for you to get to the matcha flavor.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just hungry, but I
Oh
like
yeah.
this.
Whew, it's on my tongue now.
Yeah. I think the first couple ones, it kind of primes your tongue for what's coming next.
Oh, that is.
I don't know how that's possible, but
Oh yeah. Now tasting. It's no longer the field.
we're no longer in the fields anymore, boys.
We made it out.
we're in
Made it
matcha.
out.
We're in matcha land now.
Oh yeah.
If you get this, give it a chance. Just keep eating it, and you'll get there.
All right.
Next,
my
we're gonna-
personal favorite.
We're gonna try ube. Okay, so ube, if you haven't had ube before, it's
ube.
basically the best way to explain it is sweet purple yam.
Yeah.
So it's imagine yam but purple.
This is my
I
personal
feel like
favorite.
it has a distinct flavor though, completely different.
Yeah.
than,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
regular
Oh,
yam.
smell that.
Oh.
Potatoes.
Oh,
Sweet but
Yeah, it does not
Sweet
smell like
potato.
potatoes.
this
Oh,
smells
yes.
good. It smells really
This is
good.
good. This is gonna be good. I already know.
Ready? Go.
Oh yeah.
That's ube. That's ube. And it didn't need to prime our tongues for us to
That's
that
good.
out. And taste it.
That's good.
Solid. Really good. Sweet like ube should be.
Has ube ever let you down?
no.
No.
Actually, no.
That's Ono's.
That's
Grinds. This is my favorite.
This is super good.
Yeah.
Oh, so good.
So good. Last but certainly not least. Okay, maybe
Is least.
no, it is
Maybe
least.
It is least.
Last,
Why
but
don't you guys
certainly
give it a
least.
chance? Why do you guys give it a chance? Okay, yeah, it is durian. So.
It's durian. It's not for everyone. If you guys know what durian is, it's notoriously known to be very stinky and to not taste good either.
No, okay, I think it tastes good personally.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you like it.
I like durian.
I've never actually had
You open it then.
a true
Oh, I can smell it.
durian.
I can smell it.
Okay, here we go. Okay, see, I never said I like the smell. make my eyes water.
You okay?
Oh, something
I don't
could
want
have
to
came
smell
out.
it. Okay, just get one.
We don't need to eat this, right? You, we can just. No, we have to.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay, see, when I tried durian, they froze it so like
Then
it
we have to
wasn't
put it in the
that good
freezer.
of a smell.
Oh, really?
Or that of a smell. So it tasted good too. I couldn't smell it. So
I'm trying not to gag right now.
stop being a baby. So it's alright.
Why is 2021 starting off like this? Rum, sugary drinks, and durian wafers.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
Onion. Onion. Oh my god. Oh, I can't go it. Oh, try not to gag right now. This belongs in the onion family. You know, garlic, onion, shallots. Put this in the. If you're gonna throw a go over there, bro.
No, no. Oh! Ooh. You got it down?
Yeah, okay. What I said about liking durian, never mind.
It tastes better when it's frozen, right?
Yeah, but see when I had durian, the actual fruit, it was frozen, so one, there wasn't a smell. And when I tasted it, it tastes like cream. It was good.
Cream.
This tastes completely different. I don't know what happened there. Maybe that thing's expired or something, but
No.
That's not
no,
it.
no, it isn't.
let's go get another one.
Oh, wait, this is part of the.
Yeah, you have to get one down at least. Come on.
I should have just swallowed it.
Oh! Here. Keep this
The more
bite.
you guys
Like,
gag,
I'm
it makes
like,
it harder
hey,
for me.
stop! Put that, get that back. Okay, I'm gonna swallow it.
I swallowed one, like, the other day.
Come on, we can do it. Just one. Okay. Look, I already ate one.
If I just take a good whiff of this when I need.
Look.
Yeah, alright, we can do this.
Imagine it's just like.
Smell that while you eat it.
Yeah.
Smell,
maybe it
smell
will-
it while you eat it.
Maybe it will help.
Maybe it will work.
Yeah. You know, like when you want to gag, like the back of your.
You wanna gag?
Smell.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
So
good
good.
memories.
I was so close.
I'm gonna brush my teeth twice today.
Oh, should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all exile? How do you do that?
Okay.
Durian. Why are you looking at the camera like that? Yeah, so I actually didn't eat mine.
Wait, what? Oh my!
Eat it right now, though.
Go. I'm gonna see you swallow it. Oh yeah, when you breathe in, huh?
yeah.
It goes up your nose
Yeah.
like a piece of garlic.
Yes, sir.
Right? It's like pungent in your mouth. It's like you took
Oh, garlic.
it's like you took a bite of an onion, and then you sniff garlic.
Tastes good, no? What's your sleep?
Ugh. I have some stuck in my teeth.
Oh, my breath smells like it.
Get away.
It's like not like they. Oh, dude.
So yeah, that was an experience. So what is the lesson for today? If you ever see mini wafer, the ube flavored mini wafer bites, get it. Because these are really, really good. Awesome. Or maybe even any of these. These are okay too. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us eat these snacks and also durian. Definitely check out my brother's channel here. Freeley's channel if you want to do it, if you don't want to plug yourself.
Yeah, I do like videos about cameras, mostly about the Canon M50, which we're filming on right now. So if you guys like cameras and filmmaking and all that cool stuff, definitely check me out.
And yeah, also definitely check this guy's. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, but check out his Instagram.
Yeah.
Pretty fire pics, man.
Fire.
Fire pics, man.
Once again, thank you all so much for watching to the end of this video. God bless. Peace. Peace out, bruh.